Hey everyone, Dimitri's here. So we're gonna cook something right here, and then I'm gonna share with you guys my Christmas gift. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, leave it a thumbs up. Today is December 21st. Yeah, another year going by. It was a very good one. This location today I come often, and I'm gonna make a nice, very easy recipe for camping. The name of the recipe is turkey cordon bleu. I brought some carrots. We're gonna make that caramelized to go with it, and it's very simple. If you want something to warm your stomach and to give you that comfort while you're here in this cold weather, I think it's a very good recipe, and easy to make, and it's Christmas. Okay, guys, for this recipe I have ham, cheese, and the boys keep shooting. I have turkey right here, olive oil, herbs. You need a lot of herbs. This one here has onions, has thyme, sage, has spring onions, garlic, well, all the good stuff right here. Because you want this turkey to be, you want the turkey to be very thin. So for this guys here, what do? You have to do, you have to roll it. Right. I'm gonna put this guys in the foil paper. I'm gonna drizzle it with the, there we go, nice and beautiful. So I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil. Believe it or not, having a tin foil, I always have it in my truck. You can cook everything, or you can cook anything on tin foil. You can make an eggs, right? Make a little round, put some eggs, put some bacon. You can cook everything. So for emergency situation, having maybe 2 of those rolls of tin foil, it's a must. Have in your car, have in your house, anywhere. If you like the outdoors, have it in your car. It's something there for you to use. So make the most of it. Put them down right here. So the good thing about winter, fill this guy with the ice. It's a funny thing because you're going to fill this guy with ice all the way to the top, and then you're going to have like this much of a water on the bottom. But it's great because boiled water, sometimes you need a hot drink. You can make it, and this guy over here, this fire pit, is a lifesaver. Somebody is sizzling right here. I can hear it. This baby's right here. It's like a burrito. There we go. Every time you use a cutting board, like wood cutting board, and chicken, turkey, anything like that, wash it with a lot of hot water. So just wash this guy right here because I'm going to be cutting carrots. And I don't want to be sick at the end of this whole process. Let me tell you guys a fun fact about having a prosthetic leg. So as you guys can see, I have shorts on. So this guy here, it's right over here, right, for me to have the other knee on the ground. The other knee that's in the ground is the prosthetic, so I don't feel cold. How amazing is that? Sharp knife, guys. For the carrots, we're gonna do some butter. Second thing will be sugar, brown sugar. I'm gonna put a lot, salt and pepper, and I think we're golden. Peaceful place. Come here often. Another fun fact about the prosthetic leg. Before my prosthetic, I couldn't do crossing my legs, for example. So this Autobach prosthetic gave me this button right here. So before I couldn't cross my leg, and Autobach came up with this this button right here. So what do? Push the button, and you can do this. And believe me or not, when I got this, I got so happy. I was really emotionally happy about the fact that I could do this, right? And sometimes when I'm shooting, I can do this, and I'll put my rifle right over here for better accuracy. But to do this, believe me, we take that all for granted, and it's amazing. What I do sometimes, there's guys shooting everywhere. So what I do sometimes, I need them to know that I also have a weapon. So what I do, there's this red button right here. So this guy, if I pull the trigger, nothing's gonna happen. But if I get this guy here out, the red part out, that means it's ready for fire. This is just a warning shot, right? They are shooting right there. They are shooting right over there. So I need them to know that I also have a firearm. And 3, so always right here, you don't want this guy to kick back. It's a 12 shotgun, 12 gauge. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. It's loud. I just open up this guy right here, and yeah. Simple thing that makes you so happy. Okay guys, with that dish I'm gonna do a mulled wine drink that goes very well with that. So orange, ginger, we should have this every day. So I'm gonna have 3 slices of this guy here. That's gonna be it for the drink. And orange, I'm also gonna have maybe 2 or 3 slices. And it goes with red wine. I'm not planning to be drunk here in the middle of nowhere. But it's Christmas, December 21st, so I think I deserve it. The moment of the truth. Yeah. Everything out here tastes amazing. This guy here. All right. Every time I'm going camping, believe it or not, I have a can or 2 or 3. Sardine, tuna, everything with oil, and I'm gonna show you why. Okay, go. Okay, like I said, and then you put a piece of paper right here, soak up on the oil that comes in from inside the can, and you're gonna have this guy. Sometimes I have 2 or 3 inside my shelter or my tarp, and believe it or not, this little guy over here, when he's minus 10, 15, 20, it brings a lot of heat. So I'm gonna link something similar to this down below. Maybe you can find it on Amazon. So what this guy does is, so I'm gonna pour the drink right here. So he's gonna hold whatever it's in the pot. It's gonna hold. So have a nice and clean drink. As you guys can see, right? Cheers, everyone. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. I'm going to continue here. So I'm going to have a sip of this drink right here. A lot of snow. It's minus 10 right now. But beautiful here. So what I'm going to do, so I already have my can empty, cardboard inside. I'm going to melt this guy right here, which is a big candle. I'm going to melt it, put it here inside, and then I'm going to make this. For me, I can have a candle, I can have a little fire pit to make food, or just something to warm me up in the middle of the night. And one thing is very important to know is that this is waterproof and is also snowproof. If I dump it, if it falls, and you can still it up and get going. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this guy in several pieces, and it's gonna melt. And gonna cut it, put it in a pot, and then we're gonna dump it inside the can. Here we go. So cardboard, wax, this guy here for you to lit up. So I'm gonna move this guy to the snow. You're gonna turn hard solid in a few seconds or in a few minutes, and then I'm gonna lit up for you guys to see it. Okay, this is a very good hack for you to try camping or exploring the woods. So have it around for you to cook or even to warm up yourself. Da-da-da-da. This is my gift. Do you guys have any idea what this is? This is a running blade by Outdoorsman. The best company in the world. This knee is designed only for running. Well, this is the socket. This is the one that you put your residual here inside. There's a valve right over here. You open the valve, put your residual inside the leg right there, right? Close the valve. So you are stuck with this guy. It's going to create a lot of pressure. He won't come out. So I want you guys to tag along with me for me to start running on this baby. I haven't done anything yet. So to be honest with you, I feel a little nervous sometimes. It's been over a decade, almost 2, that I haven't ran. And I know I'm gonna take a lot of fall. Gonna be hurtful days, because believe it, guys, this is solid. It's carbon fiber. So imagine this guy right here in your groin. I already passed that point. I'm tough enough to be able to. And this guy bounced so hard. So it shoots you forward big time. So this whole knee over here, you're gonna have hard time to keep up with this guy right here. So yeah, this is my my Christmas gift that came over here to share with you all. And yeah, I think I'm gonna stop right here. I want to say thank you to all of you that subscribe to the channel, for all the love, all the questions. Please keep asking. I have no problem answering all of them. So keep the love coming. I'm very happy. You guys really help me out to go through this journey. So thank you very much. I really appreciate. God bless you all. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave it a thumbs up. Thank you very much for everything. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. See you guys next video.